Silence Packing is a traveling exhibit brought by Active Minds, the national nonprofit mental health organization. It's a display of backpacks to represent the number of college students lost to suicide every year nationally.
Our goal with the display is to let people who are struggling know that there are resources available and to educate people on how to help somebody who's struggling.
Through this event, students not only learn about how many individuals are impacted by suicide annually, they also get to learn some responses and some resources for students and family members or loved ones who may be struggling with their mental health.
It kind of reminds me that I'm not alone.
As soon as I walked over here by the UTSA banner, I saw like 10 backpacks on a bench, and I just thought it was like really depressing because I too have a personal experience with this, but it wasn't until I looked up where I saw just hundreds of backpacks. And I think it's just amazing. Like, just thinking about like how great the numbers have gotten. You know, it's like you don't think it happens to you personally until it actually happens, and all you're left to do is react.
The Send Silence Packing exhibit is really mind-blowing. As a professional in mental health, I know the statistics about how many individuals are impacted by suicide annually, but to see the backpacks in the exhibit visually is stunning, and it really creates this sense of awareness unlike other types of outreach events, and really draws people in. So this has been a really important and impactful exhibit at UTSA.
And I think this is just a great way of just like showing how many people are affected by this, especially knowing that probably most people in hearing like this college have like a personal experience with it.
Send Silence Packing has been a really important event for UTSA to help raise awareness of suicide. Our partnership with Active Minds is really important to help get students thinking and talking about the impact that suicide has on college students.
At least I'm participating today just to show other people that they're not alone in this, and that there's always somebody that they feel welcome to talk to. We have resources, and it's just something great that you're able to see and feel with everybody else.